1 Corinthians 7:19. Circumcision is nothing and uncircumcision is nothing, but keeping the commandments of God is what matters. For more information on defining circumcision, see the entry on Romans 2:25-29. So if circumcision is nothing, why would any other of God's commandments be of any importance either? People have pointed to Paul's supposed disregard for circumcision as one of God's commandments as an example stating that Paul isn't concerned with any of God's laws. Let's explore this in historical context. So what does circumcision mean to a first century Jew, such as Paul? When we hear the word circumcision, we tend to think of a surgical procedure. In the first century Jewish world, circumcision was much more than a procedure. It was a cultural identifier. To be circumcised, or to be of the circumcision, is to be part of a Jewish culture and faith. See, for examples, Acts 10:45, 11:2, Romans 3:30, 4:9, 4:12, 15:8, Galatians 2:7-9, 2:12, Ephesians 2:11, Philippians 3:3, Colossians 4:11, Titus 1:10. Thus Paul brings up both Jew and Gentile and says that the distinction is irrelevant before God. What matters, Paul concludes, is the keeping of the commandments of God. So the irony here is that the very same section that people have used to argue against God's law actually quite emphatically teaches the opposite.